Hey guys, my name's Dee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the green screens in this video to add animated abstract expressions to your videos using only your iPhone. So the first thing you're going to need to do to download this video is hit the top right corner to copy the link of this video. Now you're going to go to the Documents app and go to savefrom.net. This is where you paste the link, and you're going to have to watch a Russian ad for about 5 seconds before it starts downloading. So don't download this, just play. So hit done. I don't change the location or anything at this point, and it'll just red dot right down into your downloads. So now you can hit the purple folder to go back to all of the documents. Go to the downloads folder where your video is. So bottom 3 dots to move to your photos. So hit the blue button, move to photos. I waited at that screen for a long time doing nothing. So now you can go into any sort of app that supports green screen, like PocketVideo or PocketVideo. I did a video about how to do this in more depth. So at this point, to use these, they're really meant to like accentuate your footage or just add a pop. So put your footage below with it selected, hit video sticker, add from camera roll, and here's your video that you just downloaded. So I tried to make it easy with these black screens to differentiate where the different ones start. So you choose your out and in, hit done. So you're gonna have to resize it up and then hit mask, green screen, and try play. So obviously you'd probably want to move this around, you know, to like highlight an action or text or graphic or something. You can resize it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.
Yeah, I want to get to know you though. I want to get to know you, man. I'm trying to get to know you. I'm trying to dance with you. I'm trying to swim with you. All I know is extravagant things though, man.